Alright, welcome back to the channel. So hopefully this is the third and final day of tearing this trailer apart. I'll do what I can to get everything cleaned up and tore off this platform here. So sit back and watch. Alright, I don't know if it's all in time lapse, but I pulled that toilet off. Well, apparently I still had stuff in it, so that was gross. So I pretty much just soaked down everywhere that went, and hopefully I don't have to touch it again. I tried to, what do you call it, dilute what was there. It wasn't as bad as I've smelled, but it was pretty rank. I'll tell you that much. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break for a few minutes and hopefully get back to this a little bit later. Let some of this water dry. All right. Sawzall was the trick. So it looked like it was only bolted in like 4 different places on each one of these ribs, looks like. But got one little piece I got to take off. Frame doesn't look as bad, so I was really concerned because I took a quick peek under there and saw some stuff rotted out because of that toilet. But this isn't as bad as I thought. There's a couple spots that might need to grind a little bit, but otherwise it's not bad. So I'll have to put a new bumper on here and fix this little guy. But otherwise it's not too bad. So they have the difference, because this is a camper, they kept it low. So they had this rail step up on this side and low down there. So I'm gonna put a 2x4 and basically keep that level all the way across. So I was looking at making just a flatbed trailer, but my son, he does RC car racing, and he wants to be like all the other guys out there with a box trailer and a little setup so he can work out of his trailer instead of setting up a table. So I think we're going to build a box trailer for him. I wanted to see the frame before I did anything, but it looks like we have a good start, and it even has electric brakes. So I think we're going to do a box trailer. But yeah, so I guess we'll see the low liner turn into a box camper or a box trailer. All right, well, I think I'm going to clean up and call it a day. So till next time.